Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly we continue on this list and we learned about BFMatcher, and actually this one is already the base class of these two, BFMatcher and the FlannBasedMatcher, and so we are gonna skip this one. So we are gonna check this one in this video, which is FlannBasedMatcher. So the functions, the member functions are mostly same with the BFMatcher, so I'm not gonna get into the detail of them. So I'm just gonna focus to the usage of it, which is actually this was the code from the previous video from BFMatcher, so I'm not gonna get into the details again. So we are gonna mostly use the same function for the detector, for the detecting and the computing of the key points and the descriptors. Also, as I said, this descriptor matcher is the base class of this. Also similarly Flann based what was that Flann based matcher also similarly has the same base class, so it's deriving from there. So just to mention that, and after that what we are gonna change here, there is one important thing we need to change, which is about the descriptors, because these are the unsigned chart type of the met types, but different than the BFMatcher, the FlannBasedMatcher is not accepting the unsigned chart type. It should be float type, so we need to change them. We need to convert them into the float type. So first of all, we are describing, maybe just copy this one and just add a float type, and they should be in the float type for FlannBasedMatcher. And all we need to do is just getting these met types and just calling convert to, and after that we can make this new descriptor float, and it's gonna be 32 float, and that's all. Similarly for the second one also. And okay, so before switching also, it can be better to show the result, maybe the people who are watching this video directly. So we are comparing two Lena image which are different than each other about the sizing and also the grayscale. I'm choosing these simple images to explain the classes and the functions. So it's actually found 10 key points are similar to each other between this image and this one. So this was the example from the previous video. Now we are gonna try the same one for the FlannBasedMatcher, and okay, and these two are done. And the next is we just need to do FlannBasedMatcher, which is this one. Maybe later we want to compare, so just copy and comment out this so we can try the similar one later again. Oops. Anyway, matcher can stay. FlannBasedMatcher. Okay. And of course for the matching we need to give the new float types. Also I don't want to lose the previous one. Maybe we can see the comparison later. Just get this float to this descriptor and this one for the second one, and all is done. Let me check these descriptors are used for something else or not. We can also change here, but this size are gonna be same, so we can remove them for now. So these descriptors are not used except this. Okay, that's all. And now we can run the code and see how it looks like, this FlannBasedMatcher. So this is quite similar to the BFMatcher. You see here it's also found 10, but I'm not sure it's finding the same feature. It's possible, by the way, to find same features because the images are very simple, so it can be accepted. So I have another images also in here, 1 and 2, which are different kind of things. Maybe we can try, or 1 and 2, these are little, okay, some shapes are similar, so we can try PNG 1 and 2. Let's see how it looks like. And it's found 88. It's quite complicated. I'm not gonna check detail, just I'm curious about if the BFMatcher is also finding the same number or not, because they should be different somehow, because these two images are quite different than each other. Also descriptor I should change, which is in here, descriptor 1 and descriptor 2, and that's all. Now we are checking BFMatcher and we found 86. At least it's different, so we see a difference between these two matchers. To talk generally what is the main difference of the FlannBase and the BFMatcher, I can say that BFMatcher is more accurate than the FlannBasedMatcher. It means so you can say this BFMatcher is founding 86 because accuracy is not related always with the results. You can find less key points because BFMatcher is more trusted, so it's only finding the really accurate one. So you need to look at to the table in that way, in that window. So yeah, basically in this video simply I just wanted to show BFMatcher. Previously we learned about in this video we are checking FlannBasedMatcher. The main difference only the usage are accepting the float type of maths for the descriptors, except that there is no big difference. And I'm done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.